Hi, I'm Owen, technical coordinator here at Compdoor. I'm just going to be running through the little help guides we've got when installing the comp doors, just to assist with you when you're fitting the lock side frame. First things first, once you've got your inside frame nice and level and plumb on the door, just clip the twist guides at the top and at the bottom, and show that you've got the chamfer on the outside face of the door. And basically, when you're fitting the lock side frame, just to assist, because what we say to do is sight the door to the lock side frame, make sure it runs parallel top to bottom. What you want to do when you're pulling the door to the frame, make sure that your twist guides are touching the top and the bottom of the frame at the same time. This allows that door to be nice and lined up with the frame, and you've also got that nice compression on the gasket. So as you can see, these are the twist guides that we've had made up, especially designed for our 48mm fit comp door. These are now available to the surveyors, the fitters, when you're fitting the doors on site, just to assist with the lock side frame and the installation of it. As you can see, you just clip on one at the top, one at the bottom, and just making sure that the chamfered edge is on the outside face of the door.